Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today, let's start with our next tutorial, Synchronization in Java Part 1. In case you want to see my previous lectures, I will give the link in description and you can refer that. Now, let's start with synchronization. Now, what is synchronization? Synchronization in Java is the capability to control the access of multiple threads to any shared resource. As resources are shared in thread, so synchronization will take care like no shared resource should be accessed by two threads at the same time, which means in synchronization we allow only one thread to access the shared resource at one point of time. Now there are two types of thread synchronization. One is mutual exclusive and the next one is inter-thread communication. What is mutually exclusive? It is of three types: synchronization method, synchronized block, static synchronization. Now let's learn this one by one. First, if there is no synchronization between threads, then what will happen? Let's see this. What I will do is I will create a class table. I want to print a table. Now I will print a table for int I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, print a table of n, which means system.out.println n into I. It means if n is 5, then it will print a table of 5 from 1 to 5. Like 5 into 1 is 5, then 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4, 5 into 5. Let's have a sleep here for the delay. Let's suppose 1 second. Now it requires try catch or a throws. Both are one and same. Now let's have two threads here. How to create a thread? Either create a class or create anonymous class. Thread t1 equal to new thread. This is how we create anonymous class. Similarly, create another thread, thread t2. What it will do is it will call this method. So we need to have object of table. Now we will call table dot print table. Let's suppose we want to print table of 5. What it's saying? Try catch. Let's implement it. Now here print a table of, let's suppose, 100. 100 into 1, 100 into 2, up to 5. Again a try catch. Now we will start both the threads. Now if there is no synchronization, what will happen? Both threads will run parallelly. Table of 5 will be printed. 5 into 1 is 5. Then there will be some delay. In between, table of 100 will start get printing. So you will not be able to understand the output. Let's run this. Indeed, table of 5 and table of 100 are printing parallelly. So you will not be able to understand it perfectly. So this happens when there is no synchronization on the shared resource. Now we have a synchronization so that it can behave in a manner that we want. First type is synchronized method. For that we will write synchronized at the method level, synchronized, that's it. What will happen? It will take the lock for the table object. So first the complete code will get executed for one of the thread, then the next thread will get start. Let's run this. Indeed. So first complete table of 5 will be printed up to 5 into 5. Then the table of 100 will be printed. Similarly, next approach is synchronized block. In this case, we will not have synchronized method, we will have synchronized block. I will write synchronized, then on the block, let's say on the current object, indeed. Now if we will see the output, it will be same. Perfect. Next we have static synchronization. Now why do we require static synchronization? The question is, here two threads are calling the print table and the table object is same in that case. In this case synchronization is handled, but what will happen if there will be two more threads, thread T3 and thread T4, but they will have some other object of table like table 2. In that case this won't work because this is taking the lock on the object of table. Indeed, even synchronized method, synchronized block, they all are taking lock on the object. But if we will have different object, like we will have table 2 like this, like we have table 1, this is table 1. Similarly we will have table 2, table 2, and we have thread T3, thread T4. It will call print table from table 2, then objects are different. In that case this will not behave perfectly because it is not taking the lock on the table, rather it is taking the lock on the object, but we have two objects now. What is the solution here? To make the method static synchronized. Now we have made the method static. Now whenever any object will call the print table, then we have the lock on the static level, which means on the table level, not on the object level. Now we don't need table object to call the print table, we'll call it by class name. Similarly, if we have two more threads, table of 6, table of 1000, now in this case when any of the object will start getting executed, let's suppose T1 start executing at first place, it is calling print table. Print table is synchronized static. It will take a lock on the table level. So first this will be executed, then any other thread will be allowed to enter in this section. If we run this, we will see one of the table will be printed first, then any of the thread will start. Table 6 is started, then any other, table 100 is started, then the last thread, thread 1000 is started. Indeed. Well, this is all on the synchronization part 1. We will learn about the synchronization in inter-thread communication in my next tutorial, which is synchronization in Java part 2. Well, I hope you like the session. Do like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.